The Eradicator demonstration unit features a glass-faced inspection cover for easy visualization into the pump's interior. On the front end, a suction line is submerged where various forms of debris can be introduced. On the backside, a discharge line is where the debris is expelled. The demonstration unit features a 15-horsepower motor driving a 3-inch Super T Series pump. A suction gauge measures vacuum, and a discharge gauge measures pressure. The control panel features a variable frequency drive, or VFD, starter control. The Gorman-Rupp Eradicator Solids Management System is a proven solution for preventing debris from accumulating at the eye of the impeller, clogging the pump. The clear Lexan face allows visibility into the unique wear plate design, complete with notches and an integral tooth, which sweeps clog-prone materials from the leading edge of the impeller vane. Here, you can see the system in action, preventing the buildup of debris that leads to ragging or other potential clogs occurring. The design of the Eradicator allows for solids to pass through the pump, ultimately reducing the risk of backups and blockages.